hard work beats talent. Is it right? In this video, I'm going to show you how talent can be beaten with relentless practice. I'm going to show you how anyone can beat a talented guy. Stay until the end to find out how hard work can beat talent. Subscribe and hit on the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos we upload. So let's start. To be the best athlete or the best student in class or even a musician, you have to train a lot. I mean a lot. But what about natural talent? Are some of us born with a special capability at what we do? To study this question in sports, scientists have tried subjecting untrained individuals to identical exercise regimes to see if the same amount of training would lead to varying results. But this is what happened. Different individuals showed different improvements. Some improved way more better than others. There was some special thing going on too. Individuals who were related by blood showed similar improvements. For example, brother and sister, they showed similar improvements. Which means if your brother is a smart guy, then there is more chance of you being smart too. This indicates that genetics play a massive role in their improvement. These individuals are known as high responders to training. After statistical analysis of endurance, it was determined that 50% of athletic improvement was based on genetics. In other words, great athletes are born with great genes. With time, scientists have been able to isolate a particular set of genes which are responsible for those traits. High responders have them and experience significant improvement regardless of how fit they are to start. On the other hand, if the gene gave you a low responder, then football might not be your favorite thing. Scientists surprisingly found out that two individuals who had never exercised have different baselines, which means that one of them may have high fitness level due to genetic variation. It seems that our greatest athletes train hard relentless of their genetics. So they have both the advantage of talent as well as hard work. That's how toppers are created. That's how Olympic winners are created. So if a normal person, for example you, have an Olympic dream, science says you will never know until you try. So can hard work beat talent? Yes, of course. But only if talent doesn't work hard. Which I can quote as, hard work beats talent if talent doesn't work hard. That's 100% true. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us if you want more videos like this. See you guys soon in another interesting video. Until then, bye bye.